I'm Brittany with WTI, and though camping can be so much fun, sometimes cooking can be a challenge.
In this Fortitude pot, pan, and utensil set, you have cleaning rags, you have cups with silicone protection if it's hot, a tea kettle, you have both a pot and a pan with the handles that pop out, and a top that works for both. You have silverware that you can unfold and use spoon, fork, knife, anything you need for cooking in. The utensil kit set comes with gloves that help with the heat, which was very useful, 2 types of knives, scissors, a cutting board, different utensils, spatula, spoon. It also has another set of utensils, spoon, knife, and fork that you can take apart and use, which was extremely helpful to have both of these options. The tea kettle, even though it was small, did such a good job heating up and making me coffee. You could heat up your burritos. The tongs were helpful for turning things around in the pan or on the fire. It had 2 sets of plates, which were useful. If you're making a stew, it's nice to have that pot. It came with this awesome heat shield that we used to wrap around our stove so that the wind wouldn't blow out the fire. It also was good for keeping the citronelle candles lit. All of these made possible for making delicious camping meals. And when you're done, it goes together so nicely. It fits, there's a spot for everything. And even if it doesn't fit exactly the way you would like it, the bag encompasses everything and keeps everything nice and snug. And the utensil bag is just the same. With the handle, you can lift it up with ease and store it in the bear box or in your camping gear.
It literally had absolutely everything I could want and need. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.